18 local government, 3 million in a month as revenue. This one will go viral.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today is your first time coming across this girl, this lady, this do way to join this beautiful family. Today I bring our Edo news. Hey, Edo news. Hey, 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 hey. Deputy governor. He don't they give them woto for Edo. If you ask me again, I go tell you na again. Una see this life where sometimes what I go they say no be president be our real problem for that country. Both councillor, both chairman, but in fact anybody I go like wanna hear from him before we go further. Let's hear.
Edo State government don't truly salute give all the 18 local government councils with them to increase their revenue from 3 million for the month of May to 120 million for the month of June. Una go remember say Edo State government through the Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu be threatened to arrest the 18 local government council with EFCC take of say only a go remit 1 million and the other 17 local government remit 2 million wey come make can be 3 million naira in total as revenue to state government for the month of May.
With what we have gathered here today, it's obvious that you people have ceded some revenue points to some individual, which is illegal. It's against the law. No part of our revenue by law is allowed to be ceded to any individual in the state. We have started collecting the names of these people. We'll make it public and we'll invite them. There's nothing we are going to do that will make secret. We are going to make it public. 18 local government, 3 million in a month as revenue. This one will go viral. 3 million in a month, 18 local government. All of you that are Oga, I will list your name. So local government, this Oga. So local government, this Oga. LO joined them 1 month ago. Then I had you people's name. I'm going to publish the name like that. These are the people, the face of the people collecting 3 million in 18 local government in a month. I'll put it between now and end of May. I will personally do a letter for government to sack you people. And before sacking, they should get EFCC to check your books. True. Get EFCC to check all your books and you'll be fired. Because it can't continue. We can't continue like this.
One country, any small place where your shoe person put, then they go there with this thing. And they will take thief, camper, every department. Go many countries, now local government, now they do everything.
That is true. Go many country, now local government. Like this our state now. Now local government, they do everything. Now they child of school, children's school, road, now they child. And I like the way this our governor, our vice governor, Shaibu. Yes, that is deputy, Edo deputy. I like the action when you take. But if you not see ask me for the other handle, I will still say why they take action now. Because now next year they come out for position. For the 2 years when they rule, you not see this action to take. My people not come for me. Not be say what he do, he not do am. Not be say what he do now, he not do am well. But why taking this action now? Why? Why taking this action? Why taking this action now? Why not taking this action since? You know what I'm going to tell some people, say, everything not just be president. President not fit do everything. President not just for the whole country. Then he go release money. If we want they talk, they voice, they do things. Now what state now supposed to they take their voice. We go they ask them this money when they bring out. What you not use and do? This money when they bring out, what you not use and do? Now go they ask them. Because the president, they release money, give them. President go release money, give state. State will come release money, give each local government. Okay, each local government, what did they use this money do? I remember the time of election. Those people, they go come. They go ask people, make they vote for them. Okay, the community, the state, the village go tell them, say, now this thing we need. They go write down. When they reach there, those things that they use and they collect money, they know they do one. That is the people when they be ward 5, when they be the leader for the community, they go the council, they ask them this thing when una promise us, no can't do one. They go say they want talk to governor. They go talk to governor. Governor go release this money, give them. They go sit down top. Now president be that. President no come your village, come repair your village. President go release money, give state. The state go release money, give each local government. So do what you say you want to. To give your people lights, to give your people roads, to repair road, to repair school. You go see primary school. Primary school they leak. Which day my mom talk for here? Just today for here. she still talk and say the money wey my papa, the contract that give my papa, the money wey get for inside, now e take furniture, chair wey children get for school till today. If anybody come across this my video, you be my side, you be on one is write in my comment section whether I dey lie before my father rest in peace. The money, the contract wey they give, I don't do am, but the gain when he gain, he use am. No, because there is no chair for the school, and he na leader for the community. He use the money take give children, and that chair when my father use his own pocket money do, now government supposed to do am for them. But when they go they campaign for this position, they go they ask, they go vote for them finish, they go collect the money. Not be say they want to collect the money. Not be say they not fit come my comment section, follow me back, say after una dey campaign, after una dey campaign, because the people go tell una say see wetin una need, una go write am down, una dey collect the money, they go sit down top. They go sit down on top of the money government give them, make they develop their place. They not even they see them. They not they see them for the place where they for be councillor. They go they dust their car pass you to repair road na problem. They go they use money to oppress people who even campaign for them. See campaign back election, Africa election, mostly my country election. I believe I get small idea. That's why I'll see some people they make noise. I'll just look there, I'll just laugh, I'll enter my house. Good people, real good people who want to Nigeria, they know they get opportunity to reach there. Good people when they get Nigeria for mind, now people they against. Little thing when those kind people go to, he don't do I think now, why this man the voice now? They want come out. They will soon wipe their come out for position very soon. Maybe he want come out for governor, but he no say I see open their nyash now. They go tighter, no ever enter governor because they know they like person when they open their bumble. If now that first time when he win, now you take come out, me for say yes, he good. A minute you want come out now, you they expose them. The first one, your first time, why you not expose them? Your first 4 years. This second one, when you new enter, you not expose them. Why a minute to leave position? Why you they expose them? For me, all of them now be one. If you drop comment bad, all of them now be one. Good people when get Nigeria for mind, they know they reach there. And they see them. And those good people always talk bad about them. And I don't know why you might be like this. Good people, when I go they see, say these people get you now for mind, get the community, get the people for mind. When I know they see good. But those who they pretend, share crocodile tears, pretend to be there, to go test that position. Now I go carry people for head. But the genuine people when go walk, when we go see, now lie oh, who go dash them? How will they break them down? How will they talk bad? Now what they do? Person when never me, in fact, I grow up with I just say with politics. Before I know, say, okay, now this one be the thing. I don't they know something. I grow up meet politics. Good people. If they say you too talk, they'll find they want to buy you. If they say you want to expose them, money go come like this. Set of people go come say make they sit down on top. But one person will go say no, make they not sit down on top. They will come against them. They will say why you speak. They go find all the lie. Now the lie doesn't they send for common YouTube when we see they do YouTube when you go do come out. Now I see they smell. When you go suffering, when they see the truth, they go sit down top. They'll say no, just because I hate this person. Why are you hating? When you see the truth, speak it out. Now wait till they affect our leaders back home. See money where they between how many now? How many between see money where they gather 18 local governments. Imagine those money now they use and develop their they use and develop their each local government. For my own village, I remember when they would ask them borehole, come on borehole. Now individual they dig their borehole. Borehole government will say if they want vote, they find election they will come. Hey, what do you need? They'll say roads. What do you need? They'll name us our children's school. No chair. Now the chair now they say my dad do before he die. No chair, that chair, they don't feel they do no chair. They manage do this. You manage, give person food. The person got they ask you water. You say, may it go like that. You don't just come and give her food. It's better you give her water than you give her that food. When he or she go eat, than no water. It's better she drink that water. Una do roof. No chair when children go sit down. Then the person will collect the contract. Now he can't use your money. Take do chair. Chair when government supposed to do. It good as he still expose them. I pray may they learn. I pray may they stop. And I pray May our country, Nigeria, no place like home. Our country is sweet. Now weather, now you want to talk. Our country is sweet. It's sweet. We just need good leaders. But we individuals, when they watch, when they try watch way, look. No look just because of this one and my own. No. If you see who go do good, do something, let's team up together and do it for that person. Now 4 years, if the person not do well, now still first time come out. One day it go be there. Our uncle, yes, Shaibu, our uncle, our brother, thank you for exposing them. Thank you for exposing those 18 local government council when you expose. God will bless you. As they fit only one ago, he bring 1 million. The remaining 17, they go bring 2 million. Now he say he go bring their name to EFCC. They just try it there. Say they go bring, in fact, they will go viral. They don't go viral. They do my channel now, they talk about them. Later they'll say, President, Vice President. Now they want come your state. You when you they make mouth every day. Now president go come your state, come repair your state. Wait till your governor they do. Wait till your local chairman they do. Wait till your councillor they do. Now all those people now supposed to be hold responsible. And my father so rest in peace. I know. That is why I want to go they talk. I know what I they talk. Those are the people you guys supposed to hold responsible. Because president release money. If president not release money, give them. Then they talk on. President they release money, give them every month, every year. There is money when you go states when they will do their state. Each Nigeria state money when they collect. They full some Africa a country money when they gain for a year. One state in Nigeria. In fact, the money be past some country for Africa. The full Africa country, one country for Africa. I don't know whether you understand. One country for Africa. Money when one Nigeria state they receive in a year. Now it big past the money when some Africa country they receive in a year. Inside, we the individual, we the citizen, we are still insulting president. President is there to represent us. President is there to sign money, give no states. President is there to do government roads, do no street lights for us. President don't come your state, can't do your state. Hold your governor responsible. If your state they don't do it well, no big president. President release money, give them. It's time for we the Nigeria citizens to know those small things. So that we stop insulting anything, president. Anything, something if it happen for another country, president go move. President Emmanuel Macron, that is French president. And then when something happen, he go come international news. He go speak. He go comment. He voice. He go comment. He don't need to come your state. He go come your state if the thing hard. But he don't care. He don't know anything about what did they have for this my state now. My state is bush. If my state, my place now is bush. Now the council for this my city. Not even council for this my city they do am. My place now. Now city. Then this city, each quarter, we they call them quartier. Each quarter, then they get small council. May I put it like that? Small council. That is they call them Mary. Small council where they maintain the area. You know they say they go there a child of school payments you will go there. Anything children birth certificate you will go there. Anything you want collect you will go there. You don't need to go the big council. That is the big Mary. You don't need to go there to go seek for. You go seek out for your small quarter where you dey. We call it quartier. Not be our Macron president. Macron, not be him who they insult. Him not just to sign law. He not just to release money. He not just to represent the country. Hey! Now though, I hope now here now say Shaibu money when you fit do. Now our president do now. No. Now your deputy, your state deputy, Shaibu for Edo. Now he do now. May all do their, may they sign up, may they put on down. May all do their own, then they bring results out. We should stop hate. Who God? We pray to God to give us good president, good leader, good government. May God give us good government. Many of them, when they go there, they know they work. Now just go still. And why the thing they pay me? Because everything always put out for president. Yes. Everything will be president. That is why I want to do this video. Okay? My people, I need to leave you now like this. Drop your own opinion. What do you think? No bullying, no insults. If you ask me question, I will do part 2 of this video. Okay? See, I meet you in my next video. My Facebook lovers, follow me, give me thumbs up, subscribe if you never subscribe. See, I meet you
to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.